Want to stop receiving unknown numbers, messages, and video calls on WhatsApp? Well, let me guide you through it. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can stop receiving unknown numbers, messages, and video calls on WhatsApp. Now, if you open up the app, you'll get an interface like this. And then what you want to do is tap on the three dots option on the top right corner of the screen and then head into settings. What you should know is you can't block all the unknown numbers and messages and video calls that you receive on WhatsApp. But what you can do is head into accounts first and head into security notifications. Now toggle this switch on where at the bottom of screen where you can see show security notifications on this device. Now you'll get notification for every unknown numbers and such, and scroll back and then again back and then head into privacy. Now what you would want to do is turn off your last scene. Now you can see my last scene, you can see it's turned on. To tap into my contacts, and only your contacts that you have saved in your device or on WhatsApp will be able to view at your account online status. And who can see when I'm online, just tap on same as last scene and scroll back. You can't block everyone, but what you can do if you still receive the calls or messages from the unknown person is long tap on the profile and then tap on the three dots option on the top right corner and then open up view contact and then scroll down below and you'll get the option block here. You can either report them or you can block them simply from here. So this way you can stop receiving unknown numbers, messages, and video calls on WhatsApp. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.